Hi, my name is Jean-Philippe. I'm a developer and I'm working a lot on digital assessment. And of course, I'm working on QTI and PCI standards. My main topic today is about portability. By portability, I mean bringing your items and your test from a technical context to another. Why portability is important? If you need to improve your workflow and master all mandatory steps in digital assessments, you will be confronted to this question. Today, a few platforms like Tao, Moodle, Canvas, or Blackboard use the QTI standard. This standard is very rich. It is encoding a system that covers many needs when you are building a digital assessment. Presenting interaction, items, delivering tests, creating scores, proctoring, sending feedback. QTI has been created to be more efficient and more compatible with technologies and their evolution. But all these big platforms are not implementing the whole system in the same way. With time, they also sometimes took some freedom and create some specific solutions. So, complexity is the major enemy of a digital project. But digital assessment projects are full of details, and the answer is to organize the code the right way. The right way to create simple structures well articulated. Let's experiment the portability of QTI tests and items in a minimalist technical context. What do I mean by minimalist? My proposition is to explore a solution that will make run a QTI test on a nodejs server. Nodejs servers are highly scalable and can handle a large number of simultaneous connections. They are fast because of V8 compilation. The ecosystem is very rich with NPM, the Node Package Manager, and the community is huge. And overall, it uses JavaScript that is more than convenient, let's say, using the same language for the server and the application. Let's start from Tao. I have prepared a few items, and here are the items. Let's open one. As you see, it's a simple item. It's a choice interaction, and in this choice interaction I have chosen just a single answer, okay, and the response processing is on match correct. So we can also preview it. That is displaying the here is the question. And if we are going now to let's back to the items. Here are the items. Let's go to the test. So in the classic way, I have created a test, and let's go to the authoring. You see, I went there and I took all the item, I put the item there. So all these items have the match correct system for as an answer. And now let's export this test. Let's go here, portability test, export. Let's export it here. We can save it now. I open now my minimalist application here, and you can recognize the nodejs context. The app.js is here. It is the file that is managing the server side. If I open the app.js, it is already open. You see it's quite short. Few lines of code I just organized in the server side. A very important part too is the public folder. The public folder here, it's a static website, but it's a static website with the entry point, the classic index HTML. Look here, inside you have the QTI JS library and the styles. And also you have an additional JS that is available here. But you can notice also that you have the QTI result endpoint. At the end of the process, it will be the last JavaScript action, sending the result to the virtual root here. It will generate the answer. We will see that later. So now we have a zip file here and a small node application. We just have to put, I put this here in the, you see now it's in the application folder. I have just to unzip the 3 files to the public folder. That is very important. Now, as we can see here, we have in the public folder the item, the test, and the IMS manifest. Let's start now the server. Let's close that. Close that. Let's start now the server. To start the server, you can check here all the scripts that are available. We will use the watch all. npm run watch all. As you can see, the test is ready to start. It's perfectly working. Let's answer to the question. As I'm not a biologist, I put a star to the right answer. Okay, now just have a look here. You see this this line. It is not in the standard. It is there because there is an additional JavaScript, and they choose to put this color here, saying that there is no answer for the moment. If I click on answer here, you see it's orange now, and I can continue to do the test, and here and here, and now this question and this one. Okay, and now it's orange also. Yes, we have finished, but we can use the review mode. For using the review mode, you see this color now is green, and green for all the answered questions. So it is a way to show that your question is pending, or you missed a question, and it is the choice of the author here. It is one example of the use of the additional JavaScript. Okay, now the test is over. How about the results? Let's have a look in the application. Okay, here we have now data.csv created by the system. And in this file, we have all the data collected from the test, the QTI test. We have the name of the question here. We have the raw answer, let's say that, and we have a score. And this score, of course, can be calculated as you need. all these elements are chosen, of course. It is written in JavaScript and called to generate all the data you need about the test. So that is the demonstration that outside of Tao, outside of Moodle or any huge platform and complex platform, you can truly create your own test and managing elements and playing with these parts, these different pieces of code. It is true that it is not a platform. We will see in another video how we can take this kind of mini project and put it in a real platform and studying how it could be used in the real environment. Thank you.